Businesses today move fast, but customers move even faster. They expect instant answers. Teams need tools that actually work together. Leaders need clear insights without digging through scattered data. That's where integrating Zoho Desk, Zoho Workplace, and Zoho CRM becomes your competitive advantage. Zoho Desk turns customer support chaos into organized, responsive ticket management. Zoho Workplace connects your teams in one space for communication, files, and collaboration, all unified. And Zoho CRM gives you complete visibility into your sales pipeline and every customer relationship. When the platforms work as one, your team shifts from working in silos to a unified system. Support knows what sales promised. Sales sees what support resolved. Everyone has the same information in real time. Integration eliminates the repetitive work that drains your team. No more copying customer details between systems. Errors drop because data syncs automatically. Automated workflows handle routine tasks. Your teams focus on what matters, solving problems and closing deals. Zoho Desk, Zoho Workplace, and Zoho CRM working together. Your business gains clarity, speed, and resilience. Simplify your processes. Empower your teams. Let automation support your growth. This is how modern organizations stay competitive, not by working harder, but by working smarter. Ready to connect your tools and unlock your team's full potential? Contact us today.